Okay. Okay, here we are with the new water fountain. It's being inspected by inspector number 1. Hey, Pixel. Pixel. Come down here and see what this is. Pixel, come here. Come here, you. Come here. Check this out. Check this out. What's going on? What's this? Smell some water? Let's see if this will reach. It's going to make a little sound. What is that? What is that sound? What is that sound? I would say that that's a success. Would you like that?